Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is softlife.com and welcome. So guys, this video I'm gonna really try to make it quick because a whole lot of power situation going on where I am right now. And if you're a content creator or digital content creator in Nigeria, you know how difficult it is with so many uncertainties throwing itself at you. I'm currently battling with power, so I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible before the NEPA will just change their mind and carry the light. So guys, I have been on natural hair for the past I think almost 7 years. Like, I had natural hair, I didn't put relaxer on my hair, and so just recently I decided to switch up my looks and I retouched my hair. I put relaxer on my hair for the first time, and in this video I am going to be showing you how I am doing deep conditioning, because I read and researched that once you've retouched your hair, it's always advisable for you to deep condition your hair to, well, not just for relaxed hair anyway, even for natural hair. When I was on my natural hair, I usually do deep conditions once in a while. So so because my hair is now fragile because of the chemicals in the relaxer, I'm going to be doing a deep conditioning to give some strength and proteins and nutrients to my hair. So guys, I'm not a pro, so I'm just gonna do this the way I can do it. So thank you. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna be starting out with damping my hair. I'm not sure if this is correct, but this is just what I feel I should do. By the way, this is water and regular conditioner, not the leave-in but the washout one. So I'm just using this to dampen my hair. I'm not sure if I should be talking while doing this or I should just record a voiceover for it later on. My hair is so small guys, so I really don't require a lot. My hair is very small. I have a very small head. Yeah, that's one of the facts about me. I have a very, very small head, so the hair on my head is also small. Okay, so this is the mix. I don't know if you can see this. So guys, earlier on this day I had to prepare the mask and stored it in the fridge, then I used it later at night. So I let this avocado get overripe so that it is easier for me to mash, just in case there is no light to use the blender. So now that I have this mashed, I am going to be adding 1 finger of banana to add to the mix. So I'm just going to mash this until I get a reasonable texture or consistency. And next I'm going to be going in with 1 fresh egg into the mix. So I kind of forgot I was supposed to just use the egg whites and exclude the yolk, but at this point it was already late, so we might as well just go ahead with it. So yes, so I'm just gonna keep mixing until the texture is good enough. So this is basically what I did. This is what is basically included in my mask that I use for my deep conditioning. So I was supposed to have hand gloves doing this because of my nails, but my hand gloves are bad and I don't have new ones, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this with my hands like that. Hopefully it doesn't stain my hands. So I sectioned my hair just into 2 places because my hair is not really that big. So I'm just gonna use this. Oh my god, it feels weird and it's cold. Okay, so I did not read this off of anywhere, but for some reason I feel like I should add shea butter to this. So, I mean, it's going to melt, and you know, I don't know if this is right, but I'm just doing it anyway. So, shea butter. Just to coat the hair. Please do your proper research before doing your deep conditioning or a DIY deep conditioning mask. So this is just what I'm doing. So guys, afterwards I'm going to be using a plastic bag to wrap the hair. Yo, what's up, dude? This is like a durag. So use a plastic bag and some elastic band to hold it. So after this, I'm going to be going in with my steaming cap to get the heat on my hair and allow the products to seep into my hair shaft and follicles. This is the brand that I'm using. Golden Star brand electronic suffocated oil cap. I got this one in thinking 2018 or thereabouts. I've actually been a very religious hair carer, so I did care about my hair, so I got these things. Okay, so I'm gonna go plug this to power and stay in for about 15 to 20 or 30 minutes to let this products and food go into my hair.
2 hours later.
So I stayed longer than intended as power went out, and this is what my hair looks like, and I'm just going to wash this out with some cold water. I totally love that my hair feels so fluffy and kinky. And that's it guys, thank you for watching.